Look at these Kiss Cut stickers I made, and guess what? I didn't even use Cricut Access. By the way, my name is Tasha, and I'm about to show you my secret hack. First off, I'm starting in Cricut Design Space. I'm going to upload an image that I have saved already. So here I am in my downloads, grabbing the file and uploading it to Cricut Design Space. And now I'm going to hit continue. And this image I already have a transparent background, so I don't need to clear out the background. Okay, now you want to hit flat graphic. That means it's going to be a print and cut. So now this is just me uploading it to the canvas. So I'm going to size it down so I can see the whole image a little better. And I'm going to go ahead and hit offset and make the offset 0.25. And it automatically makes the color of the offset gray, so I just changed it to white. So now I'm going to click on the whole image and hit flatten. Now I'm sizing it down and moving it out the way. And now I'm going to go ahead and grab a shape. This is a shape that I like to use that I put my stickers on. So I'm going to change it to green so I'll be able to see the sticker on the actual sheet. Here I'm unlocking the green sheet to 6.75 in width and 4.26 for the height. Now let's grab the image and place it on the green mat and go up and hit arrange and bring to the front. Now I just unlock the image so I can move it around and stretch it out. And I didn't use a particular size, I'm just going with what looks good to me, because I do want to add like 6 stickers on here. So I'm going to duplicate it like 5 more times so I can fit 6 onto the sheet. And now let's move the sheet to the side, and we're going to select all 3 of those and hit duplicate. And after that, we're going to move them to the side. Now let's click the green sheet and duplicate it 5 times. I make 5 extra layers because it helps the Cricut know exactly where to cut the sticker and where to leave the backing. Since we don't have Cricut Access, these layers act like a guide to trick the machine into making Kiss Cut. And now that I have them centered together, I'm going to hit attach. And now I'm going to grab the stickers and move them back to the sheet. So I forgot to change the sheet white before attaching them. So now I just got to hit detach and move it to the side. And now I'm going to go up and hit the color change and change it to white. And move it back behind the stickers. So now I'm going to hover over the sticker and the sheet, and I'm going to attach them together and duplicate the whole page, because 2 sheets can fit on one 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. So I'm going to click on both of those and just hit attach. And now once I hit make it, it said my image was too large. So we're going to click on both sheets and see if we stayed in the Cricut Print and Cut size range, which is 6.75 by 9.25. And as you can see, we went a little bit over on the width. So we're going to bring it back down to 6.75. And now hit make. So now this is just going into the printer settings. I took the bleed off and went to system dialog so I can print this in the best printing settings that I can print in. I'm going to use the HTV Rock waterproof sticker paper, and this is my inkjet printer that I'm printing with. So here's how the sticker sheet came out. We still got another process to complete. So now back over in Cricut Design Space, I usually use the printable sticker setting. Now let's lay this sticker paper on the Cricut mat. And I make sure I line it up like perfectly so it can get an accurate cut. And now I'm using my roller just to make sure my paper is stuck onto the mat. This part is optional. Now let's open up the Cricut and get it started. So I'm going to place the mat on my Cricut. And I'm going to load it. And now let's hit cut. So while it's preparing in Cricut Design Space, it's starting to scan the registration mark. And to be honest with you, I don't always keep up with that Cricut subscription. So I have to find a cool little hack for them hard times. Now that it has scanned the registration marks, now it's just cutting out the stickers. At this point, this is where the Cricut hack comes into play because it's going to cut around the sticker sheet 6 times. You can kind of see it lifting off the paper a little bit. This hack is a complete game changer. Watch how it just peels off so clean. Man, if you can't get out here and make you some money, it's a problem. You could steal sticker sheets. That mat I got from Dollar Tree, so it's no excuse. Look how it peeled off so good and clean. Now these are the sticker sheets up close. The camera doesn't really show the vibrant colors that it has. And look at it peeling off. And now I'm just going to apply them to the viral composition book that everybody and their mama been making. So I had to make me one. So yeah, look how pretty that is. And that's it, y'all. Easy kids cut stickers without Cricut Access. And drop a green heart in the comments if you learned something new. And if you didn't, make sure you tap that video on the screen. You're guaranteed to learn something on this channel. See you in the next one.